x is a real number and x equal to 2 to the x. Find the value of x. In first part of this video, we solve the problem. In second part, I will tell you the homework. Please consider subscribing during the video. Okay, the main equation, if you rewrite this, x equal to 2 to the x. Now, when you see x in the powers, we should take a log. I should take ln log with base e. So it will be ln of x equal to ln of 2 to the x. Now, in logarithm, we have an important rule that if we have ln of a to the m, it equals to m times ln a. So here we can say ln of 2 to the x equal to x ln of 2. Now we see ln of x here, x here. I take all things that contain x to left hand side. So I know that x, let me tell you here, because we take ln from both sides. If x is negative, I should take ln of absolute value of x. But x cannot be negative because right side 2 to the x is always positive. So x has to be positive. So x has to be positive number. Now, if I divide both sides by x, it will be ln of x over x equal to ln of 2. I know that 1 over x equal to x to the power of negative 1. So I can write ln of x times x, we write like this, x to the power of negative 1 equal to ln of 2. Okay, now that we see this, we have a famous function. We call it Lambert W function. And with W we show it. It is this. If you have, for example, we can say y. Y times e to the y equal to y. So it is Lambert W function. But if you want to use it here, why? Here it is ln x, it is not x to the negative 1, it's not e to the power of something. So we can use what? We can say, okay, we know that x equal to e by definition of logarithm, e to the power of ln of x. So I replace it here, so I can say it is ln of x times, instead of x, I replace it with e to the power of ln of x to the power of negative 1 equal to ln of 2. Now, if we pay attention to Lambert W function, y e to the y. So here, e to the, we should multiply by power rule negative 1 to this. And we will see by power rule ln of x times e to the power of negative ln of x equal to ln of 2. So let's see. Now, is it the time to use W Lambert W function? Here y e to the y, e to the negative ln of x, but here it's not negative ln of x, it's ln of x. So if we want to apply Lambert W function, we should do what? We want to reach this, so we should multiply by negative 1. We should multiply both sides by negative 1. So let's multiply by negative 1. It will be negative ln of x e to the power of negative ln of x equal to negative ln of 2. Now if we take w from both sides, left hand side is w of negative ln of x e to the negative ln of x equal to w of negative ln of 2. Here we said y e to the y here. If we want to apply w, we will see, okay, y here equal to exactly negative ln of x, because we see exactly negative ln of x in the power. So if we take w, it should be y, which is negative ln of x. Okay, I've erased other thing, and here we have W of this. So as I said, by definition of W, it will be negative ln of x equal to W of negative ln of 2. Now I want to reach x. If I want to reach x, e to the power of ln of x equal to x by definition. So if I raise e to the power of that, e to the power of negative ln of x equal to e to the power of w negative ln of 2. Now here, the left hand side, we can say it is e to the power of ln of x to the power of negative 1 by power rule. Right hand side is e to the power of w of negative ln of 2. So left hand side, by definition of logarithm, will be x to the power of negative 1 equal to e to the power of w of negative ln of 2. Now, if we raise both sides to the power of negative 1, left hand side will be x to the negative 1 times negative 1 by 1 to right, negative 1, negative 1, e to the power of negative omega ln of 2. Negative, sorry. Negative ln of negative w of negative of ln of 2. Okay, let's write negative ln of 2. Now, x to the negative 1 to the negative 1 is x. Okay, so left hand side will be x, right hand side will be e power of negative w of negative ln of 2. So our answer is this. Let's draw a line around that. Okay. As I said before in my previous videos, there are around, after that I could tell you the homework is what. There are around 40-50 important ideas that are useful in Olympiads in geometry, combinatorics, algebra, number theory. If you want to learn them, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. Okay. Our homework is this. If x equal to 2 to the x to the x, and x is real number, try to find x equal to what? Try to solve this homework and comment your answers below this video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. You can use my other playlist to improve your problem solving. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day and bye.